Step back in time with this beautiful piece of history. Presenting the vintage Remington 20 typewriter, a true collector's item and a stunning reminder of the golden age of writing. This typewriter comes in its original hard case, offering both protection and authenticity. With its classic design and solid metal build, the Remington 20 is not only a conversation piece but also a functional machine for those who appreciate the timeless charm of analog craftsmanship. It's in original, unrestored condition, maintaining the character and patina only age can provide. While it needs minor repair and oiling, the keys and mechanisms are largely intact, making it an ideal candidate for restoration, or simply as a beautiful display piece. Whether you're a collector, a vintage enthusiast, or a writer drawn to nostalgia, this Remington 20 is a rare find worth owning. Own a piece of the past. Make it yours today.